Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when all of the downloads are stuck on a pending mode in the Google Play Store for Nokia 9 PureView. To do this, let's launch our Google Play Store, and here if we try to install anything, you can see that it's stuck in a pending and the download won't begin. So let's cancel it for now and move on to the fix. And what we need to do is open our settings. Here locate the system, enter date and time, and enable use network provided time. You can go back to your Google Play Store and try to install any app again, and it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.